Let's talk about the 7 musts of marketing. I'm going to start with what it used to be back in 2007. So you wanted to have advertising, you wanted to have direct mail, you wanted to have corporate literature, brochures, promotional pieces, ebooks. Then you wanted to have your public relations, your PRs. And then you wanted to have personal contact with salespeople and customer service. You wanted to educate your market with trade shows and speaking engagements. Then you wanted to do a little bit more of education-based marketing. And then finally, number 7, you wanted to be on the internet. You wanted to have websites and email efforts and affiliate marketing. And that's back in 2007. However, as of 2022, as they did studies and reviews, these are the ones that are going to make the biggest impact for you. Your digital presence. That means your video. That means your website. That means your landing pages. Then you want to have your email. If you're not doing email, then you are losing and you are harming your market share. Then you have your standard advertising, then you do your market education, then you've got your personal contact, then you've got events, then you have public relations. Now, notice the order. Most of the elements are the same, but the order of importance is completely different. Why? Well, 80% of buyers would prefer to discuss products that they're looking at, whether these are buyers at B2B or whether it's consumers in B2C, over social media. They would prefer to have those conversations online in DMs and emails and interactions of that nature, rather than deal with a sales associate. Why? Well, because I think sales has got a really bad rap over the years. And as much as I don't agree with that, because I know that salespeople are just there to find people with problems and show them solutions, the market doesn't agree and they are just taking it online for those conversations. Now, sure, a salesperson is still brought in, but it's in that last 20% of the journey, sometimes down to the last 10% of their journey. Why is digital presence so high? If they don't know you exist, you're not part of their research online. Now, you can argue with this, you can say it's wrong, but it does not change the fact that this is what the studies show. So, are your practices more in line with 2007 or the current climate?